In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to EngageBay CRM. By the end of this, you'll have a seamless workflow between scheduling on Calendly and managing your relationships in EngageBay. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to create a new Zap in Zapier. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects different apps and automates your tasks, which is crucial in making sure your workflows are smooth and efficient. Once you've logged into your Zapier account, look for an option to create a new Zap. This is where the magic begins, so click on it and let's set up our integration. The first thing we need to do is set the trigger app, which in our case is Calendly. Your trigger app is essentially the starting point for the workflow, and it determines when your Zap will get activated. In the search bar, type in Calendly and select it. Next, you'll be prompted to pick a trigger. Calendly provides a couple of convenient options here, and you want to choose one that matches your needs. You can choose Invitee Created, which activates when a new invitee schedules a meeting, or if you'd rather trigger it based on cancellations, you can select Invitee Canceled. Both options depend on your requirements, so choose accordingly. Once your trigger from Calendly is in place, it's time to select the action app, EngageBay CRM. This is where the data will go once your trigger fires. So just go ahead and search for EngageBay in the Zapier dashboard and click on it when it appears. EngageBay CRM is a robust platform for managing your customer relationships, so connecting it with your scheduling tool will save you a lot of time and effort. Now you will need to select an action. This step determines what happens when the Zap is triggered. Do you want to create a new contact automatically whenever someone schedules through Calendly? Then you should select Create Contact. Or perhaps you'd like to update existing contacts with any new information the invitee provides. In that case, select Update Contact. If EngageBay supports managing deals and you find it useful for your process, you might consider selecting Create Deal. Whatever your preference, choose an action that aligns best with your workflow goals. Finally, you'll need to map the relevant fields from Calendly to EngageBay. This step ensures that the data flows correctly from one platform to the other so that everything is organized and accessible. Carefully align the fields such as names, emails, and appointment dates to match correctly between both apps. Once you're satisfied with your mappings, the last thing is to publish the Zap. This activates the workflow, and Zapier will handle the rest. And there you have it, a successfully connected Calendly and EngageBay CRM via Zapier. By following these steps, you've just automated a vital part of your process, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below.